Hey there, Andy here with DIVEIN.com. Today on our tips and tricks segment, we're going to talk about removing and replacing a Scuba Regulator Mouthpiece. It's quick and easy and something you can do by yourself at home. So let's dive in. So why would you ever need to replace your mouthpiece? Good question. These are made out of rubber. They're wear and tear materials on there. They get old, they fall apart. So a broken mouthpiece needs to be replaced. The second instance is you've got a new regulator that has a mouthpiece you just don't like. There's brands out there, I love their regulators, really don't like their mouthpieces, and I just want to switch. I'm not going to not dive high-end equipment because I don't like the mouthpiece. So those are the two main reasons. So the equipment that you'll need is your old mouthpiece on your second stage regulator, your new mouthpiece with its new bracket, a flathead screwdriver, and potentially a zip tie or a cable tie, depending on where you come from, what you call it. I'm not a big fan of using zip ties, but I've thrown that in there just in case, so you know that it can be used. The first thing we're going to do is take off our old mouthpiece, and that starts by removing the bracket. Depending on the brand, depending on the manufacturer, the bracket may be something different, maybe something similar, so we won't get into specifics. Just know that a lot of them come with easy, quick release buckles. That's what mine looks like. Pull off our mouthpiece, give a quick look inside of there and clean out any sand, any gunk, any residual spit you have left in there, and now you're ready to put on your new mouthpiece. Take a look at it and make sure it's not a mouthpiece that has a up and down. You'll notice mine is the same on top and bottom, so it doesn't matter which way I put it on. I'm going to slide it over the regulator all the way as far as we can. Most new mouthpieces will come with their own bracket. If not, that's when we can use a zip tie or a cable tie. But I'm going to go ahead and use the bracket. Slide it over. This one clips in. Ready to go. Hey, thanks for watching our tips and tricks segment on how to replace a regulator mouthpiece. We hope you enjoyed it. We hope you found it useful. If you're a fan of what we're doing, hit those buttons below, like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment, let us know where you're watching it from. And until next time, happy diving.